Please see the introduction for the second part.
Wow!
Do you want to be slim? Do with me. I hope we will to do it together. Are you ready?
Amazing!
My exercises are simple but help achieve the goal. Arms straight and vertically, rotate palms inward and outward 3 times. Diaphragmatic breathing twice. Move your hands left till the support. The head is turned left. Then the same to the right. Repeat 3 times to both sides. The palms connected above the head. Elbows bent. Move your hands till abdomen. Repeat 3 times over the head and 3 times down. Hands are above the head, then move down. Create resistance to the right thigh. The right leg in the starting position and both hands parallel to the body. Hands do not rise. We do everything with the left side as the right side. Diaphragmatic breathing twice. The palms on the abdomen. The arms parallel to body. Rotate them inward and outward in the both shoulder joints. Repeat 3 times. So the work is done. Exercise is completed, and how do you feel? Hope well. What about me? I wasn't easy, but I tried.
Amazing!
We will continue. Good luck. Be healthy, happy, strong and slim. And till next time.
Wow!